everybody, this is Undertale Girl 562 here, and just here to say that I will not be uploading videos on the 16th because I'm going to the hospital, and I'm going to be staying there for a few days, and I will not be uploading some videos while I'm at the hospital because they might need to do something. They might they're gonna see which side I have seizures on. So they're gonna see which side on my brain, and they're gonna see if it's an option for me to have surgery. So I hope you guys understand, and